Good evening. How many people within the sound of my voice have been sexually harassed or sexually abused? 2017 brought to light hundreds of people finally coming out that they have been abused or harassed at the workplace, with the number of celebrities that also came out accusing directors, producers, and other actors that they were harassed at their workplace. Yes, 2017 brought about hashtag Me Too. Actually, sexual harassment and sexual abuse have been going on for hundreds of years, and it's unfortunate that women have been primarily the target. It was that dirty little secret that you can not tell anybody if it happened to you. It happened to young girls, young boys, relatives, and we just couldn't go to anybody to tell anybody. It was also just unfortunate that predominantly the majority of people that were harassed and abused were people of color. Women were pretty much targeted because they knew that the men would get away with it. If they tried to tell anybody that they would be possibly losing their job, or they were demoted, or they were just blacklisted and blackballed and couldn't find jobs anywhere else. Men were pretty much targeted as well, but really were afraid to come out because they would then be considered gay or homosexual, and they did not want that label on them. So they were more afraid to speak out and say anything to anybody or report them. Tarana Burke, back in 2006, actually started what we call the Me Too movement of today. She used the phrase on actually MySpace, which was an older version of Facebook. And she used it as part of a campaign to bring awareness to what was going on and to empower women, especially women of color, to come out, speak out, and tell what is happening to them. But unlike the workplace or in Hollywood, unfortunately, one of the downsides to this was it started, well, I won't say started, but it's been going on in church. This actually started in November of last year, of 2017, with the hashtag Church2. And it was to bring awareness of what was going on in the church. Boys being abused by priests, and the accusations just never let up. It went on and on and on to the point where now the Pope basically has been brought in on it and he has to do something about it. Another epic moment was when Time magazine decided to not just put a person of the year, but I considered people of the year. And it was a group of women who finally came out to talk about their abuse. And so they were featured on the cover, and for the first time in a very long time, this featured a large group of women or people on the cover of their magazine. Actually, Greta Carlson, who was a former Miss America, wrote a book, and it's called Be Fierce: Stop Harassment and Take Your Power Back. She went on to become a news anchor and decided to walk away when she was harassed at the workplace. She just finally said, "No, I'm not going to do this anymore." And she literally walked off the set. Now she's written this book to also bring in light what goes on with women at the workplace and possibly get them to come out and talk about their ordeal and report them. And then, right around the same time, hundreds of celebrities started sending out tweets about their ordeal as well. People that have harassed them while they were at work, other actors, producers, directors. Harvey Weinstein was a huge one. And number of actresses came out and said that they were propositioned and that finally they just said no. we're not going to do this. This is no longer acceptable. I read an article by Joanna Raguska, and she's actually a professor at the University of California in Davis. And she states that there are challenges that still remain despite that the notice that has been focused on, there's still progress that we have to make. And it's going to take more women and men to come forward and start telling their stories, and then also make those accusers become more aware and be more diverse and learn how to treat people equally. And she quotes, most of all, we as international educators have to create a sense of belonging, regardless of diverse assumptions, beliefs, and practices. This is something that we need to talk about more. Bring light to our government that this is going on and serious consequences have to be paid. They cannot just go on with this year after year, case after case. There must be consequences that has to be dealt with. Now, I ask you again, how many people within the sound of my voice have been sexually harassed or abused? Well, this is all I have to say. Me too.